Welcome back, everybody. Just got home to Colorado. It's so fun to be back in the Rocky Mountains, and I want to keep going with my tour recipes. We'll take a closer look at my sesame teriyaki stir fry.
Let's give it a try.
Blackstone Adventure Ready 28-inch griddle on high heat. So stir fry, right? We love getting stir fry. We love ordering from our favorite Chinese takeout places. And the one thing that always strikes me when you're ordering Chinese takeout is it's super quick. How do they do it? How do they cook food and get it to you in 10 minutes? That's because they're on a plate of steel. They're on a wok, of course, right? But they're cooking at 600, 700 degrees. Now, even though this is a rectangular surface, we're gonna turn it into a wok today, so you definitely want to be on high heat. Extra virgin olive oil down on my griddle top. This could be peanut oil, it could be vegetable oil, it could be canola oil. The griddle simply doesn't care, so use the oil that you want to use. Oh baby, it's smoking hot. Tyson grilled and ready chicken. I prefer this in these small diced pieces, but hey, just like when I'm on the road doing a demo in Blackstone, sometimes you're stuck with these longer fajita slices. So these are frozen, bought them at the store about an hour ago. We're gonna put them straight down on the griddle top, a little more oil on top, and we'll start to get that chicken to thaw out and cook. Now, since I'm stuck using these longer fajita style strips, just gonna use my griddle scraper to chop those up like that. And there we go, I just want smaller 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch stir fry pieces. Now on tour this year, I was typically using a few varieties of bell pepper. We have red, yellow bell pepper, I have a red onion, and I have snow peas. So let's bring those over here to the griddle top. Again, a little more of my oil, and then straight down with those beautiful veggies over here. I like to use a matching set of spatulas when we're doing stir fry. It just seems like it helps better. Plus it gives me that hibachi look that everybody's after. Up next I have my noodles. These are Hokkien noodles. There's several different kinds of these. You can buy them in the Asian section in the grocery store. Udon noodles, Hokkien noodles, and soba noodles. And this is all we do right here. We just open these out of the pack, grab your knife, and cut them up. So Hokkien noodles are the smallest of those varieties here. So straight down on the griddle top, we break them up, put them down like so. And then broccoli slaw. You can buy this in any grocery store in the produce section. Broccoli slaw, perfect way to bulk up your stir fry. And then I always like to put in some spinach towards the end, right? Great way to add iron, and then also it's a nice color contrast. I frequently forget things. Here's my garlic paste. If you're not using the garlic paste, come on. It's great. It's the closest thing that you can get to fresh garlic. It's pureed garlic with vegetable oil. So if you want that fresh garlic flavor, but you don't have time to dice up fresh garlic, just use garlic paste. Now we'll go down with a little bit of salt. We have kosher salt today here. And black pepper. Let's get that garlic all mixed up here. I can smell the garlic. And then I like to finish it off with Blackstone's brand new sesame teriyaki sear and serve sauce. This is so good. It's perfect for stir fry. Time to pull our stir fry. When you're doing stir fry, your sauce typically is gonna have a little bit of sugar. You definitely wanna break out the water. So a little bit of water down on the griddle top, and you can see, look at that. That water instantly pulls all that sugar to the top of the griddle. Now I'm on a hillside here, so cut me some slack. We're out in the middle of the Rocky Mountains. When you're cooking quesadillas or grilled cheese, you're not gonna need any water, but it does help when you're doing stir fry or any of these sticky sauces. You can see just how quickly the water brings that to the top here. Now we'll go ahead and grab some paper towels. For me, it's always gonna be Bounty if I can help it. Some people like to use those blue shop towels, so whatever works for you. You might wanna use a white cotton rag. Now I'll put a little bit of oil, whatever oil I'm cooking with, down on the griddle top. And we'll rub it in like this. And now my griddle top is ready to pack away. We can pull it out tomorrow morning for pancakes. Now we can finish this up and garnish it any way we want to. Sometimes I'll put cilantro on here. You might want to have sesame seeds. I didn't have sesame seeds with me today, but we do have a little bit of green onion. Green onion like this, and if you want to, just for kicks, just to make it look pretty, you could certainly go ahead and just drizzle a little bit. Oh, that sesame teriyaki around the plate like that. Maybe a little bit on top of those green snow peas for contrast. Let's give it a try. I'm so excited. I gotta get another bite. Oh, look at those noodles, by the way. So stir fry, easily one of my favorite things, maybe the favorite thing that I make on the Blackstone griddle. That is my 2021 sesame teriyaki stir fry. That's the recipe that I made in 25 cities on the Griddle More Tour. And oh, by the way, right there, I'm dying to get into that snow pea. But this, oh, can you see that? The sunlight just dancing off the stir fry. And as promised, that is definitely the absolute best looking snow pea I made all year. There's another observation I want to throw out. When you're doing stir fry, you want the veggies to be cooked, right? But at most, you want them to be like 60 to 70% cooked because you want a little bit of a snap in there. You want to take your mind away from fajitas. When you're making a fajita, you want those bell peppers, you want those onions to be, you know, pretty darn soft. But with stir fry, you want a little bit of crunch in those veggies right there. Folks, if you want this recipe and more, go out to blackstoneproducts.com. Make sure you're watching my weekly show. Let's give it a try. Cook, Eat, Repeat with Chef Nathan Lippy, CJ's First Cooking Show, and of course, Family Style with Desiree, with Blackstone Betty. But until next time, everybody, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the sesame teriyaki stir fry.